So why does Mass bring out the best in the scholars? I think because it's really a chance for them to shine. I mean, I give them a problem which is really a challenge, and they have the opportunity to take everything they've been learning about biology in their high school classes and actually put it to work and do something that's really a college level research project.
So we are asking them to do things that they haven't necessarily seen in class. We're asking them to do things that might be confusing and overwhelming because there's so much going on. We're asking them to use pieces of equipment they've never seen before and never used before, and they're excited by that. And I think that's a remarkable trait in students really so young.
A Mass student is very bright, is very interested, asks a lot of questions, keeps me on my toes, and is very interested in science.
They have a sense of where they're going to be. These students are more focused, which is critical in this day and age.
There's a large diversity of students. They're very driven, they're very passionate, and they're really excited about working in the lab. Many of them haven't had hands-on lab experience from their high school background, and so it's great to get them into a college setting, to see them working on a campus, and also just get them familiar with some of the techniques that they'll be using in college.
I think the caliber of the research that students can do in the Mass program is really quite remarkable. Anytime you can make something that nobody has ever made before and nobody has ever seen the existence of, that's pretty special.
Mass is very special to me because I have learned a lot of new techniques. I have learned many new subjects. I have developed patience. I have developed a lot of new knowledge that I am not taught in high school, and I feel more prepared for college.
Through this project, they've had exposure to different fields, so they've seen the chemistry of fluorescence, and then they're also getting an understanding of the biology background that's needed. Mass is a great program for students to come into a lab setting regularly and get an idea of what research really is. They also get to see the importance of troubleshooting inside of a lab, and they're also covering very advanced molecular biology techniques.
This program has inspired me to actually believe that I can become something more.
Mass has inspired me to expand my knowledge, expand my education, and Mass has helped me experiment with the different careers I could go into with so many different types of science.
If we don't get this opportunity here, I feel like we won't get this opportunity anywhere else.
I would be very happy to have any or all of them in a class in 2 years.
Actually getting into the lab and using your hands to make something new and practice science is what it's all about as a scientist.